It is important we share personal experience or experiences with people who may fall victim of what some of us have passed through or what we have gone through with the Nigerian security system. Well, I appreciate the fact that there are good Nigerians. There are very, very, very good Nigerians. There are people who are willing to help in every situation, in every circumstance or circumstances. They find people. However, it is also important to know that in most situations, the law relies so much on facts that may not even be factual. The law relies so much on evidences that may not even be facts. One, people should be very careful picking up lost items, especially trackable items. Let's say, for instance, you're walking by the roadside, you've been able to find phones. It may be as a result of robbery, it may be as a result of kidnapping, it may be as a result of other criminal activities. And once the phones are found in your possession, you find yourself in a very big mess, in a very big problem. Nigerian law does not necessarily, recognize empathy. It doesn't recognize empathy. In fact, you tell the judge the police stories, you found the phone, you were trying to help, you are trying to do this, it will never work. Please, it will never work. It will never. And don't be surprised that it is always very difficult to prove your innocence in such situation. There are many people languishing in our prisons for offenses they know nothing about. Visit Nigerian prisons and you ask them questions and you see that people are going through a lot. They are going through a lot on things they know nothing about. Some months ago, I found two phones. I posted on Facebook, posted on media platforms, trying to see how I can get in touch with the owners of the phone. My brothers and sisters, the case eventually turned out to be the worst thing I've ever experienced in my life. I'm sharing this personal experience for those who may be ignorant. Ignorance of the law is never an excuse. I repeat, ignorance of the law is never an excuse. If you find anything trackable on the streets, please just leave it and find your way. If you cannot take it to the police, find your way. In fact, at times when you take it to the police, you'll still be questioned how you got in contact with those items. So it is important to get through, just stay out of trouble. If you see people you can help, fine. If you cannot help people, just find your way. Because it's, in fact, under law, the law finds it so difficult to accept empathy, emotions, as the case may be. In fact, you will never come out of it if you are not careful. What the law relies so much on is the proof, which you may find difficult to prove. Therefore, my advice is simple. When you find items, especially mobile items, trackable ones, avoid them completely. I wish you all the best.